Okay, just a short little update on the BB67000. Right, so based on the photograph on this website here of BB67016, which is in as-built condition with the rounded corner screens here, curved glass. On this locomotive, the handrails, and I'll include this in the description box, the handrails are painted diesel locomotive blue, and of course they cross over the front aluminium strips at the front, which of course is not the case on our molded plastic locomotive. So I'm using a very fine nib pen, and what's left of the paint I mixed to pick out the parts here in between the aluminium profiles. This is a very it's a precision job. Technically, no, I have to go over the aluminium part, because I have to actually go over, because these handrails cross the aluminium profile like that, see? Not bad. I'll do one side and then the other side, because of course I have to put it on its side so the paint is to dry. Very fine nib. Okay, so that's done. At least this part here, this one's done. There you go. We have the optical illusion that the handrails cross the aluminium beading. I've not done this side yet, we'll do it later. We don't need to do it on the other cab, because the stripe in the cab, it doesn't include any aluminium strips. Another thing I did, see them here, I'm doing this wee update. I painted the part here that I added, made in old phone card, and I also picked out the grills with a very diluted matte black to sort of give it a bit of contrast. Everything else, I've been looking at photographs, whistles, etc, etc. I think we're going to leave them exactly as they are. Maybe I might, if I wanted, I could actually maybe pick out the whistles in matte black to reduce the plastickiness, just to give it a wee bit of a slightly more three-dimensional increase the whatever my hands, okay, to give it a more three-dimensional effect. Okay, well, that's that for the moment. Better close this paint or it will get hard. Cheerio, and see you at the next one. Ciao, ciao.